Hello Pierre, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2014 K1300S with the 26,000 kilometers. This is the price, 13,188 plus HST and licensing. The bike is fully certified, has brand new tires, as you see. Rear tire as well. The aero exhaust. Those are extendable bags. They come out a little bit bigger. It's in really good shape. The protector is ripped off. Otherwise, there we go. ABS. This has a quick shifter on it. Adjustable suspension. Heated grips. It needs nothing. It's ready to go. The oil change has been done too. If you have any questions, please call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212, please. Here we have a lot of bikes, cars,